Hi, I'm Michelle Demers, and I'm creator of the Power 15. And I just recently attended Ann Carden's How to Attract Ultra High-End Clients 3-day event. And what really stood out to me was, well, number one, Ann is just a premier expert in the field. She imparted so much knowledge, everything from how to put an offer together to how to properly speak and message to high-end clients to how to price and package services and a whole lot more. For me, the real value and takeaway that I needed that she over delivered on was really understanding the language of this type of buyer, because it is a new market for me. I am up leveling my own business and my programs and my offers, and just understanding the nuances of how to speak to that market was really, really helpful. And I took so many valuable things that I could immediately implement in my work. So I can't recommend Ann and the event enough. So thank you.